In this video, I will let you know all about Square Appointments. Let's get started. Square Appointments is a cloud-based appointment management solution that enables professionals to manage bookings and appointments, generate leads, and accept payments. The solution suits the needs of retailers of all sizes in a variety of service industries. Here I am on the dashboard of the Square. On the left side, various options will be shown. I will click on the customer from them and a submenu with different options will appear. Click on it and get started. Here you have to add a few details, like the phone number and your time zone. After that, add your business type. We'll choose marketing and advertising. Then click on Continue. Now add the information about your staff and location. Once you add, click on Continue. Add your estimated monthly revenue, and then the average ticket size. Next. Here you will get the option to add an onboarding partner. If you want to add, click on Continue. I am going to choose self-onboarding. Now add features to your service. I will choose first and second, you can do it on your own choice. If you proceed next, you will get the option to appoint iOS and Android. I am going to skip it. It will take a while to open the next page. Here you will see the different options. I am going to show you one by one. Here is the calendar, waitlist, online banking, and many more. I am going to click on the services option here to show how you can create appointments. Firstly, open the calendar. Set your timing according to your schedule. Once you have done it, a page like this will appear. Add here the event type, then client information, like the name of your client, email address, and phone number. You can edit your data and the timing of appointments from here. Add an appointment note here if you want to. Then add services and duration of your appointment and then the amount. A client booking notification will appear here. I am going to skip it right now. Add your item here, whether it's regular or black. Save it once you choose it. Scroll down and add a discount if you want to. You can create a discount from here. Add the name of your discount, then the amount. You will get many other options here. Click on Save when you choose to add the required information. See, your discount is added here. You can set the extra timing from here. If you see the right side of the page, you will get other different options here. Now click on Save. Again, notification pop-up will appear. Choose the option of your choice. I am going to choose Don't Send It and then do it. It saves now. Click on Services from the left side options. Your appointment is added here. Now create services from the option on the right side. Because you need appointments to provide any services. If you don't provide any service, you don't need to add any appointment. So let's create a service. Add the name of your service. Then add a category. And add a description here. Add your price and then the consultation fee. Duration of service in hours and minutes. Scroll down and see other options you can add to any of your choices. Click on Save. And your service is also added here. Now go back to the main page. You can edit your availability time from here. This is the schedule for the whole week. You can edit it and add a time that is much more suitable to your schedule. From here you can see your recurring schedule. You can choose it again. That's all about Square Appointments. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.